chunky. We can be done now if you want.
Perfect. Looks delish. Okay, so now we actually have to get a glass. This is a plastic one, so it's lighter.
Okay.
So it's,
And unbreakable.
unbreakable. We can throw it and it'll be okay.
So same thing, I can either use my right or my left hand.
Mhm.
We're already rolling with that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure you want to drink it like that?
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay. Let's pour it in.
Okay. Should I use just one hand or two hands?
Let's use two hands. Oh. Oh.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Is that usually how you enjoy your smoothie?
Normally I make it more in the cup, but yeah.
Remember the energy conservation strategies that we talked about? No?
So sorry. Kinda.
5 minutes of writing and then like 1 or 2 minute for a rest break. Okay?
Okay.
And so this, with this built up pen, this decreases the amount of effort you have to use to hold on to the pen. So with this and your dynamic splint, this should help with writing. So you can go ahead and write anything you want. A larger shaft or shaft.
Shaft.
Move in your hand. Wow, look at that.
Works for me.
Same kind of thing. I think this is great. Fast forward. Eccentric exercises. We were bringing your hand up and then slowly bringing it down.
Yeah.
So what we can do, this is a little bit slow, but this is just
Sorry.
working on whoa.
I got a cold chill.
That's okay. And again with
Spelled that wrong.
oh, so the viewers can see.
This is my bad side.
So remember you mentioned that you used to like writing love letters?
Yeah. I used to love writing love letters.
Mm-hmm.
Because I love love.
Who doesn't love love?
Only those love haters.
Like Grinches.
Grinch.
Oh.
Sorry.
And yeah, we can search the internet.
It is Christmas season. 'Tis the season to not be a Grinch. Sorry.
Was it dictation?
Yeah.
Of the lecture.
Yeah, so then I could like go take a nap as energy content.
With your eyes open, right? Like
Mhm.
Stella.
Yeah.
Oh, you know Stella.
Yeah.
She's famous for sleeping with her eyes open during class.
I've heard. I actually read that on the news the other day.
You quad.
She sleep.
Okay, this is a really long one. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel.
Or is it my YouTube channel? This is on.
Thank you for this collaboration for our YouTube channels.
Yeah.